In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to put this truck in and out of brake maintenance mode or service mode. This video will also work for a 2019 through a 2025 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado. To get started, turn the key on. If you have a push button start like this vehicle does, all you gotta do is press and hold the start button without putting your foot on the brake, and in 10 seconds it'll turn on the accessories. And then what you're gonna do is press and hold your brake pedal down. Push up on your parking brake switch like you're gonna be engaging it. Press and hold both at the same time for about 10 seconds. And then you will hear and you'll see your parking brake light turn on. Once that does, release your brake pedal, release your parking brake switch, and then press your parking brake switch again once. And what this does, it releases your back calipers, and then your parking brakes won't be engaged. Now we can start installing the brakes. Now you can take your truck out of maintenance mode. What you do is turn the ignition on, then you press and hold the brake pedal. While holding your brake pedal, press and hold the parking brake switch as if you're going to release it. Hold this for about 10 seconds, and then your maintenance mode will deactivate and a little light will go off on the dash. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.